Hey, it's Rihanna, aka Rhea, the cutest little Cali chick, and I'm back with another video. Okay, so today I have two special treats for you guys. The first thing is I actually got to make my video in the daytime. If you look around, I'm actually using daylight and not a ring light. It is amazing. It feels so wonderful. Today I'm going to show you how I clean and sanitize my false eyelash strips using Q-tips, cotton pads, tweezers, eye makeup remover, alcohol, and a lash brush. I will also have a list of everything I used in the video down in my description below. Enjoy! Here are my lashes, two of my favorite pair. They're dirty with eye makeup and lash glue and mascara. So I'm going to use an eye makeup remover by Neutrogena. And I love this one because it removes even waterproof mascara and eyeliner. And it's not oily at all. But of course you can use whatever eye makeup remover that you prefer. So here I am going in first with the tweezers, and I like to use the tweezers to remove glue off of the actual lash line of the false lashes, because to me it just works the best to do this. I can get in between the hairs of the lashes and just pick out as much glue as possible during this step. So I just go and pick, and then sometimes I even use my fingers. Now on a clean cotton pad, I'm going to place my lash. I am going to pour some of my Neutrogena eye makeup remover into the top of the bottle, just for something that's quick and easy to dip my Q-tips in. So I'm going to hold it down, and I'm just going to rub and rub and rub. And as you see, it's actually taking off some of the glue that was like stubborn and stuck on that I couldn't either remove with my fingers or the tweezers. And it's already picking up some of that makeup and dirt off of the lash. Every time I get the cotton pad dirty, I just switch it out. So whenever it gets dirty, I just switch it out. Yeah, it was still some glue stuck on there. Yes. Get all of that off. This eye makeup remover works so well, but you know, you can use whichever one you prefer. Now on a clean cotton pad, I just soak it with some eye makeup remover, and I just put the lash back down, and I dip my Q-tip in the eye makeup remover, and I go back and I just scrub and rub as gently as possible, with just also a little bit of finger elbow grease just to get in there good. Yes, I did say finger elbow grease. But yes, to get all that extra glue, dirt, mascara, and I also use eyeliner above my false eyelashes. I don't know who else does that, but it gets caked on there. So I just make sure I get all of it off. And if you take a look at the cotton pad, it is getting dirty from the makeup. So now on another clean cotton pad, I am going to soak this one with alcohol because this step is very important. This is how I sanitize my lashes, just to keep bacteria from building up, because alcohol does kill 99.9% of everything, okay? Now I'm going to take my clean, sanitized lash, and I'm going to form it back into the original container that I purchased it in. Or, you know, if you have a spare container or another container you would like to use, that's up to you. But I just saved my original container. It works just fine. And I form it because it's still damp, so I want it to dry back in the original shape. Now, this is the second lash after it's been cleaned and sanitized. I am putting it in the original container and letting it dry. I am forming it so it can dry in that original shape. And my son is going to make a cameo.
I will put both of them in your eye.
Mm-hmm. Air, you're moving my thing out of the frame. Go ahead, baby. Go night-night. So cute, you guys. Any mommy out there knows, anytime you're trying to do something, the kids are always around. We love them. So now here is my second pair of lashes. These are more dramatic, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to soak that cotton pad. I'm going to clean this lash in the same way. I'm going to remove all of the excess dried up glue from the lash line and just pick it with my fingers or tweezers, whichever one you prefer to do, or both. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put it on that soaked cotton pad. And again, I'm using eye makeup remover of my choice. And I am going to get all of that hair, makeup, glue, whatever's stuck on there. And by hair, I mean like if a lash got stuck in there, and dirt, mostly makeup and eyeliner and mascara, which I do. I love to put mascara on my eyelashes. I love to use eyeliner, and sometimes my makeup gets on these lashes because they are so long and dramatic. They are 4D false mink. I absolutely love them, and I use them the most. So yeah, they're dirty. Now I am going in and I'm filling this pad again with alcohol, and I'm going back and sanitizing. This is the most important step to me because it kills all the bacteria and germs on there. 99%, y'all. Now I am forming it in its original packaging, and it looks good. It looks super good, and it's still a little damp. So once again, I'm just going to try to form it the best I can in the original packaging so it can dry in that original form and it could be like new. I've had these since December, so they're in good shape because I clean them at least once a week, depending on how often I decide to wear them. Now I just finished cleaning and sanitizing the second one in this pair, and now once again I am putting it in the original package so it can dry beautifully. Now I'm putting a little alcohol on the spoolie, which is a lash slash eyebrow brush, and I am just gonna brush and just comb those hairs and just make it look as nice as I can. That's what I love to do. This is the aftermath, okay? They were dirty, okay? And now they're beautiful. Once again, you guys, if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching and tuning into another video. I'm going to show you how beautiful they came out and how they look in the sun. They are glistening. They are clean. It's going to be so easy to apply them my next time putting them on because the glue won't be all caked up, girl. They're going to be looking good. So once again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video, okay? On the road to 100. Rhea out.